Hi again, students. So for this assignment, I'm going to show you exactly how to get into the assignment and how to submit it. So, once we get to the Google Classroom again, remember we look for the Google Classroom. I went into my class, with Miss B, your classwork. So what's really important is if you're into this vocab assignment week 1 already, which you probably are because you are watching this video, and this is where the video is shown, is under vocab assignment week 1. It's important to first look at this lesson before you do the assignment, the English Language and Literacy EDGE Lesson 1, because that will really go into detail each of the vocab words for the assignment. So I really recommend you go view material for English Language and Literacy EDGE Lesson 1 first, before you do the assignment. And here I have the list of the 8 words. I have a picture that shows you what just from the textbook, what each of the words are, the definition, using it in a sentence, and a picture, so it's very helpful. Also here is another YouTube video of me explaining each of the words. So I think it's really helpful to watch that first before you do this current assignment. So once you look at that, you don't have to make any comment here, you don't have to turn in anything here. You're just gonna go back to classwork and go back into the vocab assignment week 1, view assignment. So again, I put the picture here of the 8 words just to remind you. I would recommend even saving it because you're gonna need it to complete the assignment. So I think it would be really helpful if you had this open. So I'm gonna even have it open in another tab as I complete this assignment. So to turn in the assignment, right over here where it says your work, this should say your name here, but it says mine because I'm just showing you an example as if I was a student. So once you open it up, it'll look like this. So this is where, just like we did in school, where we do the vocab words. So the first one, you simply type in the word. And that's where it's useful to have the picture up and ready, because you can look at the picture, you see the first word is become. So you type in become for the word. And then you need the definition. So again, you could look at the textbook page that I sent you. To become means to begin to be something. So you could type to begin to be something. Then you need to use it in a sentence. So remember, the first sentence is always the definition. The second sentence is an example of using it in a sentence. So she is studying to become a doctor will be my use it in a sentence. She is studying to become a doctor. And you can use your own sentence here if you want. You could say, I want to become a teacher, or whatever you want to put here, or you can use the sentence that they use in the textbook. That's fine. And for picture, this is where it's going to be a little trickier. This is where we have to go insert, image, search the web. Remember we did this in school a few times? This is where you want to look for a picture of become, or you can put a picture of a doctor if you want. So once you find a picture you like, insert. Now it might insert it kind of big. Oh, nope, it didn't. It actually made it kind of small to fit in the box. Perfect. So then you have your picture, simple as that. And then you move on to the next word for word number 2. Once you're finished, all 8 words, there's 8 vocab words. So you see there's a second page. You're gonna hit right here where it says turn in. That means you're turning it into me. You're giving the homework to me via the internet. And then that is it for assignment week 1 for vocab. Good luck.